Yes, guys, welcome to the Barbarian Physique program. My name is Conan, and we'll be coaching you throughout your entire journey. So we are beyond excited to have you part of the tribe. And in today's video, I'm quickly going to go over the things you need in order to succeed in our program. So let's get into it. The first thing you'll need in order to be successful in our program is the app called Trainerize. Now you can download this on either the App Store or Google Play Store, and we'll be using this app every single day. In this app, you'll have access to your customized workout program and your custom meal plan. Along with that, you also need to download MyFitnessPal, which is an app you can use to track your calories and macros. So once you've downloaded those two apps, we can move on to how to actually use them. So starting with Trainerize, like I mentioned, we'll be using this app every single day to communicate with one another. I'll be here every single day answering whatever questions or concerns you may have. So once you open up the app, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard and everything that you have to do that day, including your daily nutrition goals. So you can see exactly how many calories and macros you gotta hit. Scrolling down, you can also see your progress. You can look at your total steps for the day. And very quickly, when it comes to tracking your steps, I highly encourage you guys to get a Fitbit. They're super cheap. They last forever. I got mine for like $50 3 years ago. It's waterproof and it still works great. And you can connect your watch to Trainerize so I can keep track of your steps and hold you accountable with them as well. Moving down on the dashboard, you can also keep track of your sleep, your body weight, your progress pictures, your caloric intake, caloric burn, resting heart rate, etc., etc. Then the second column will be your calendar. This will give you more of a bird's eye view of what you have to do on specific days. So for example, on Wednesday, November 1st, it'll be your rest day. So you have to get your steps in and track your nutrition. And on Thursday, you have to get your steps in along with doing your full body workouts. So you can actually click on a workout and see in advance what workout you have to do. So you can track every single set and every rep you do within the app. Moving on to the third column, you get to see your actual workout program. So here we can see that we're on week 2 of our second mesocycle. So you can see exactly what your workout program and training split looks like. So this individual is running a 3-day split divided into 3 full body workouts. Moving on to the fourth column, you get to see your goals and habits. You get to see your weight goal, your calorie goal, and whatever habits I have set for you to work on. Moving on to the fifth column, here you get to see your meal plan. And all you have to do here is just open up your meal plan and you can see exactly what to eat and when to eat it. You got your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. So depending on how many meals you want to eat per day and how many calories you need, which I will take care of, by the way, you can see all of that on the app. It also gives you a shopping list at the very bottom of the PDF, so you can see exactly what you've got to buy in order to make the foods in your meal plan. And again, really quickly, this meal plan is just a guide to help guide you and give you some new ideas and meal inspirations, but by all means, you do not have to follow the meal plan exactly. In my program, it is all about flexibility and sustainability, and following a set meal plan is not always going to be the most sustainable approach. So as long as you hit your daily calorie and macronutrient goals for the day, you can pretty much eat whatever you want, but just make sure that you hit your daily calorie and macros for the day. And then the last column here is basically just your settings. So you can see your profile, you can change your profile picture, and by the way, as soon as you make an account, you have to add a profile picture. It drives me crazy when people don't add a profile picture because it just looks like I'm talking to a robot. So please add some personality to your profile and add a profile picture. Anyway, you can send me messages. You can also see how many workouts you did, your total cardio activities, and much more. If you do have any questions for me, this app will be using to communicate. This app takes priority over anything else for me. If you message me here, I will get back to you as soon as possible. I'm available 24/7 for you. So this goes over my text messages, my DMs, and everything else. So that's a quick rundown of the app. So again, we'll be using this app every single day. So play around with it, get comfortable with it, but you'll get used to it pretty quickly. If you do have any questions for me, please ask me on the app. And like I said, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now in the next video, I'll share with you exactly how to track your calories and macros on MyFitnessPal. So once you're ready, you can click on the next video and I'll see you there. Peace.